In today's video, I'm going to show you how to uninstall OneNote from your Windows PC in just a couple of simple steps. This is a quick and easy method if OneNote is taking up space, you no longer use it, or you just want to remove it completely from your system. Before we get started, please take a second to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, press Windows+R on your keyboard to open the Run Dialog box. This little tool is one of the fastest ways to open system utilities on Windows. Once the box appears, type Appwiz.Cpl and then press Enter. This will open the Programs and Features window, where you can view and uninstall installed applications on your computer. Now, when the window opens, look through the list of installed programs and search for Microsoft OneNote. Depending on your version of Windows, it may appear as Microsoft OneNote, OneNote, or a Microsoft Office-related entry. Once you find it, right-click on it. From the menu that appears, select Delete or Uninstall. If you see an Uninstall option, click that to begin removing the program from your computer. Windows may ask you to confirm your choice, so go ahead and approve the prompt if it appears. After that, the uninstallation process will begin. Just wait a moment while Windows removes OneNote from your system. Once it's finished, OneNote should no longer be installed on your PC. If you don't see it right away, you may need to refresh the list or restart your computer to make sure everything is fully removed. And that's it, you've successfully uninstalled OneNote using the built-in Windows uninstaller. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit like, subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.